We are at Sandown Park, the racecourse, and it is time for the London Card Show, November 2024. Morning.
Good morning. There we go.
Thank you very much. There's only one 151 card I'm after, and it's probably not going to be here today.
English, Japanese?
English, I want the EB Games Charmander.
No problem. Oh. I literally didn't print them, thinking nobody's going to be looking for them.
It's the only one card I need.
Are you here tomorrow?
No.
Hang on, I'll give you a business card.
If you don't find one today,
I'll ping you a message on Instagram.
Yeah.
No worries, thank you. Oh.
I've seen print lines get 10. There's no description.
Yeah, we're asking 25.
I know your reason, because I'm from Ipswich, and you're in Stonham Barnes, and when you set up, they made a news article about you, and my mum phoned me like, someone's just set up a Pokemon shop in Suffolk, and I was like, there you go. Yeah,
Yeah, my big one today.
May do, may not. I almost forgot it.
Hopefully, you guys receive the pay.
Oh man, how much you got on the Beckham Auto?
I think I've got 250 on it.
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
That's all right. You got a bit more than 250 on it?
No, I know on that, no, I've got 250 on it. That's what I think it was online.
No worries, thank you.
Cool.
What year were they?
No, not 92. It starts at 92.
Oh, they're the rare ones.
Yeah, before it even got devised.
How many?
I thought they were flint, man.
No, it's like pin tap.
Oh, it's the gold
If you want them, take them at like cost 2-3. I mean, 40k.
Let me try the coffee.
Come have a look, because I know all of this needs a little bit of TLC.
What's wrong with this one? This one's minor, catchy. Maybe like a minor line on top.
I completely forgot to say, this video is sponsored by me, and all of the links down in the description below. So whether you need penny sleeves, maybe carry cases for your PSA slabs, or maybe even discounts for these sorts of events in the future, you'll be able to hopefully find what you need down in the description below. Now, back to the video.
probably do about a more price of Maui, which will make us about, that's what they need, so.
I like these.
20.
If you want, we have a promo code online.
Okay, oh cool.
This weekend only. But else, today everything is at least 25% off compared to the website. And we have a lot of design.
Oh, yeah.
You can see it on the website as well.
No, I'll flick through it now if that's right. Let's have a little look.
So I had someone who wanted to buy a bell, which was one chin in the holder, and both bells that I had copies of both moved. Yeah, I'd say 120 is probably okay.
So we sell the case mostly, but we have a few with the cards today.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, for around 120, I think that's about right. But I'm positive it's gone up a lot. I mean, yeah, I'll be happy. Probably, I'm a quick one, that's probably going to be fine. Mickey isn't good. The Mickey, I think I probably want like 450. So they're in a PSA 10 years about.
That does look nice. Lovely, thank you. How much you got in the reverses?
I think they're Mark, what you got in the reverses, or do you want to sell this as a set? I think he's...
Yeah, ideally I do want to sell it in a set, personally.
Oh, no, okay.
You've got a lot of get-ups.
As a set...
Do you have I mean, I do have a lot of... let me just see
Spares,
real quick.
possibly.
Yeah, I do have... Let me just see real
Japanese reverses, I'm missing a handful.
I got you.
And then English, I need the EB Games Charmander, and that is it.
So I'm gonna have a look at that. That's definitely. I know I have a lot of like reverses and stuff like that in Japanese as well.
Did you get majority of packs?
Oh Jesus!
Did you pack one?
Oh yeah, dude. I bought. I remember when I came last time here. I mean, I probably had about 3 Japanese booster boxes or something like that, and then probably bought a couple of others here and there. So yeah, I mean.
No, did the Japanese sell more than English? Because I looked at the Zard, and the English Zard goes for more than the Japanese. I thought Japanese would always sell more.
Not every single one, so it depends on like, so for example, Erica's Invitation, the one I saw in there, the Japanese one goes more for than the English one. Yeah. I think typically, most of the time, like Japanese probably sells a little bit less than, what do you call it, than English. But again, it really just depends on like, so there's one set, Silver Tempest, there's a card in there, Serena. The Japanese one, I pulled it, and I think I got it for like, I think it was going for like 70, 80 quid. But the English one, I think goes for like 12 quid. You know what I mean?
When was it 1.13? Is this one? This set?
That would have been, oh god.
It surprised me how many people like collecting it.
Maybe 2 years ago? Roughly?
So it was after Revolving Skies?
I'm just looking now. So, yeah, because Evolving Skies would have been Sword and Shield.
Yeah, I remember Sword and Shield. That's what
I think it's just the 2.
Yeah, perfect.
How much you got on them?
I know it.
No worries.
For those two, though, to be fair, I tried, literally last night I was pricing up everything, and I got to the point where I was like, right, it's like 10 o'clock, I need 4 hours of sleep at least, so I'll just do them when I have a chance.
There's normally...
Have a look real quick.
Oh, squashies, that's an upgrade.
Looking for any particular clubs?
For me, just because it's bulk and I'm more of a collector than an actual seller, if I'm being honest with you.
Oh yeah, same.
Pound each.
Yeah, it's cool.
What's in the big collection box?
There you go.
Cheers, mate.
Cup of tea.
Yeah, perfect.
Can I look for that one? That's all right. Thank you.
I'm sorry, I got my nails done and now I can't.
Got it?
I'm so glad I work from home. I was in the office, I'd be leaving at 7.
That's fun. I don't have that. sealed. I had it sealed last year, but 17 quid. How's your card? Here you go. Hey lads. Good, how are you? Yeah, very well, thank you. Just missed you now. That's my Founder page. Yeah, Van Moo Mill. I do have. Oh, cool.
No. Excuse me, mate. How much got on the best winner cards?
So the electables I've checked recently, it's 200, and then the others will be depending on which one you're after. There's 8 of them in total with each of the packs.
Can I have a look if that's okay?
Yeah, of course, no worries.
Hang on. I'm fighting losing battle there. Just grab all them out quickly. Thank you.
Oh, I've got a different one. It's from the Should we just buy like a pack? Wait, let me show you. I bought Nabos, you know, the box. Yeah, I bought one of them. Let me show you. I bought these 8 packs.
Oh no, they're all Can we sling them back in?
Yeah, no worries.
Hang on. Lovely, cheers mate. Yeah, that's a nice silvering. All across the bottom. It's, God, it's only 10 past 11. Starving. Hey, do you think it's ready to go or not? Or is
Just
all...
wait for the chips.
Can I have a chicken burger then? Yeah, I'll have a chicken burger then.
You want to check if we can serve?
No, they don't.
£10. That's a terrible burger for £10.
You got it.
Is he still trading or not?
It's that corner. But the front's nice though.
Oh.
That's the only thing that puts it down.
Yeah, that corner's pretty mashed, isn't it?
But there's not like, on the front there's not particularly like scratches and stuff.
So I've already got an ungraded set. It's the grade I'm going for, which is pretty.
Sorry, I wouldn't grade. Well,
pretty
it would probably get like a 7 or an 8.
Yeah. But hang on, I'll keep on looking, see if I can find something around the 120-ish mark. That's how 80. Do 130.
And 20 quid? I know. I said 120, didn't I?
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind slinging you a tenner. I need it. I don't need the box back. I need. Hang on. Let's just stop them all from moving around.
No, I'll keep it. Yeah. That sound. Thank you very much.
Cheers, man. Much appreciated. Oh, that's cool.
1996, like when the games first came out.
Yeah. I've got the Japanese games at home as well.
Oh, dude. Do you have this with it?
Oh, I don't have that.
This is awesome. Especially for like the single games.
55. Oh yeah. The Umbreon's nice. Whoever designed that, he did well.
I want an Espeon to match, or at least a full Eevee set. I've got a Darkrai.
Would you like to pick it up?
Pick it up. I've got a Darkrai I want to do, but I'm trying to get the smoke, like a resin, and actually make it smoking.
Yeah.
Which is going to be
How much is this one?
50.
You got a card at all?
I've got an Instagram. Do you have Instagram?
I do indeed, yeah.
I usually bring cards, but people take them and nothing comes of them. So.
And it's just expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I get that.
You go through 200 on a weekend and you like get one order from it.
That's 50 quid down the drain.
And it's usually little kids that take them, and then you get here out.
I'm already following you. So you didn't have the sign out, I couldn't tell. Oh, they are cool.
You can pick them up here, they're not that hard.
I'm just scared about breaking them.
Yeah, I can see why for them. And then the Krabby, I do the Krabby as a pen holder as well.
Oh, nice. No, I get that.
so sweet.
Oh, that Gengar's good as well.
Are you making these?
I do, yeah.
They're amazing. How do you do your 3D printer whirring along all day?
Yeah, I've got 7 of them, so
Nice.
it's just going mad.
It's a real
It's a long room.
Think of the electric bill.
But it means I get to make my life-size Pokemon.
Yeah, that's true.
Make the life-size
Awesome, thank you. Oh, that's heavy.
Just at the top, mate. It's a little magnet at the top.
Go, you do it. Oh, okay.
So they just like literally slide out.
I'm going to have a look at Pokemon and then we can go. I'm going to come back for it.
Oh,
and I will.
That's mad.
Okay. It's done like 300 quid, so I need to...
Have 10 minutes.
Exactly. Yeah. We'll come back and have a look at it again.
Sorry.
No, you're right, have a look.
Got weight to it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Someone breaks into the house.
Exactly. Killed by Charizard, can you imagine?
Okay, let's go through the purchases and trades and everything else. So we got some 151 Japanese, which I needed. It's come to, I think it was £136 or so. So yeah, that's just required. There's multiples, you would have seen all that. Then we had a trade. I've got rid of a load of 151 Japanese reverses. So we got a Blastoise and Piplup, Charizard and Braixen, Venusaur and Snivy, all Gem Mint 10s, all PSA graded, all absolutely beautiful. We have, oh, my second PSA thing. There's someone at my front door. Showtime, that was 50 quid. Man City, 30 quid. Star Wars, 25 quid. Another Man City, 30 quid. Squashies, eating them now. Oh, we got some more. There we go. Some more Japanese 151 reverses. There's only a handful of cards left now, surely. Ultra Pro, I forgot Ultra Pro were there today. It seems like they've been out of the loop for the last 5-10 years. Subtenter, and then a display case for a card. Penny sleeves, always a win. Thank you, Vault X. And then some more bits as well. Oh, we've got some. I'll save them for a shorts video. Might as well stretch out the old content. But there we go. That's it today. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See you at the toy fair in 2 weeks' time.